Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with very interesting topic about unit of measure and packaging that both are merged into the latest edition. So when you are going into inventory and you are looking at these units and packaging, both are now merged into one single settings. So the business case is how this particular update will help the businesses like groceries or bulk retails to define the better pricing combination, let's say for sales as well as for purchase, because in previous version it is really tough to define vendor prices, because the case which I am going to explore is about the product which is coming into maybe a package and it has its own package pricing. So let's say I have a product that is cold drink 2, which I am selling into pack of 6 and pack of 50. Okay. And then I do have a price list also, that is my sales price. If I am selling with 50 minimum unit, the price applicable is 8 rupees per unit, or 6 unit, then it will be applicable at 16, or a normal single unit will be applicable at 20 rupees per unit. That is definitely you can do by price list to give a sales price flavor to our customer. So if I go to website, then definitely one single unit will be like this. If I say pack of 50, it will directly multiply by my packaging price from backend, which is a great feature. And then pack of 6 again will be multiplied by 16 from my backend. So isn't it great to achieve such flexibility of selection of packaging for e-commerce as well as backend sales order and define your own pricing? That is the number one benefit. Let me explore the second benefit when you are making a purchase from your vendor, and vendor is selling a single unit worth 10 rupees as a cost. But if you are converting into pack of 6, earlier it used to be multiplied by 10, but now I can define my unit price. That is, if I am buying 6 pack of 6, it will cost me only 54 rupees for entire pack of 6. Or if I am selling, or sorry, I am buying pack of 50, it will again give me an entire unit price of 300. So by this way, I can entirely manage my costing with packaging from my vendor also. So it will come over here in my purchase, and on my vendor price list I can see per unit cost price over here, and same will be reflecting when I am doing my purchase order for the vendor cold drink 2, 1 unit worth 10, but 10 unit worth 10 again. But as soon as I change the unit pack of 6, again 10 unit will come at 54 only. Likewise, if I am buying that in bulk of 50, let's say 5 unit, it will again come with 300. So this way I am buying entire package with this particular package, and over here the demand will have its own packaging, and I can use put in pack and contain in a package again. So that's how we can manage pack of 6, pack of 50 and its own preferred pricing with its own barcode also via packaging. So that's how now you can better control your vendor prices with this unit and package merge option in latest version of Odoo, which is available only on SaaS right now, but this will come in version 19 soon. So this is the way you can better control your purchase price based on the unit of measure combination and give a better purchase control for bulk purchase also, as well as the package wise sales also, which is available in backend, and the e-commerce journey for customers. Hope this small change gives a big impact to many businesses who are controlling buying and selling in package. Thank you guys. If you have any question, reach out to me on YouTube channel or LinkedIn. Good day.